Good evening all, and welcome to the Architectural Review Board meeting for March 3rd, 2026. We have one board member that's absent tonight. If you do not want to be heard until we have a full board, you have to tell us before we hear the application. Once we hear the application, you have to go through with the vote tonight. You need 3 votes to approve or 3 votes to disapprove any application. Is there anybody that does not want to be heard until we have a full board? Does everybody want to go through? Okay, we'll start with the Beach Tree Cactus Properties LLC. This is 86 Beach Lane. This is for a 2-story side addition on a crawl space and slab for a 1-floor, 2-car garage mudroom entry with a roofed over porch, 2nd floor primary bedroom suite with a media room and a roof deck, a 2-stop elevator, a 1-story rear addition on a crawl space for a mudroom entry, interior alterations to create 1st floor bedroom suite and convert upstairs bedroom to a den. It's for 5 bedrooms and 6.5 baths. Good evening.
Good evening, board members. My name is Steven Sanabria. I am from Fleetwood McMillan Sanabria Architects, located at 251 Pantago Street in East Hampton, New York. I'm here on behalf of my client, Peachtree Properties LLC, 86 Beach Lane in West Hampton. I do have just on the board kind of a comparison of the exterior views, the front of the existing, as well as the proposed, the side view, and then the proposed, and then the existing rear view and the proposed. I have small copies if you'd like small sheets. This is a new sheet that was not submitted in my packet, so I have it here. It's just a comparison that I had done just to try to kind of compare them side by side as opposed to
Great.
doing that.
They're easy. Yeah. Thank you.
So our addition is kind of to the, I guess it's to the right side of the main property if you're looking at the front of the elevation. And it's a 2-car garage on the 1st floor, and then there are areas above. We are changing and modifying the existing dormer that's over the front door, just to kind of make it a little bit more in keeping of the gambrel shapes. So now, we kind of have this rhythm of big gambrel, small, big on the front. And we kind of wanted to keep that view, so we are changing out that front triangle dormer that's there now. It just didn't seem to kind of go with the rest of the architecture. We are using all white trim, asphalt on existing asphalt, shingles on the roof, and wood cedar shingles on the siding. All the other structures in the back are not being touched. This is the only addition that we're working on. And there is going to be, we are kind of relocating the elevator that doesn't currently work. We're going to be using it as well, so we're going to be kind of putting the elevator on the inside. The Widow's Walk is on towards the back of the property, so you really wouldn't be able to, we did that on purpose so that you wouldn't really see it from the front as much. But I know that that's usually a concern for architectural review boards, so we're kind of trying to be aware of that and using that as well. The garage doors are mahogany and they'll be wood clad, but like I said, all of the trim, all of the windows will be white, again in keeping with what's there now.
You're not going to change any landscaping, right?
No, sir. All the existing mature trees and landscaping, if anything, we're adding to that side, but because again, that's access into that garage, we're just going to put the driveway that would come into the garage.
And you're extending the landscaping
All the way in the front, yes, sir.
to match what's there now?
That's correct.
Any questions on this
I was just
application?
wondering about the sconces, but it says that the sconces will match the ones that are
The
there.
ones that are there now, yeah, he likes those, so if that's okay, we're
add
gonna
it to
keep
the-
those.
So you're saying they're matching those?
Yeah,
You're okay
we're
with that?
just gonna match whatever's there. The door staying blue?
It is, yes.
Anything left?
No, you don't need to mention it.
No
It's
fences, right? We have to worry about
All
it.
existing.
Well, that's the same.
You have a question? No. Okay. Okay, can we get a motion to approve this application?
We'll make the motion?
Do we have a second?
Second.
Those in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Good luck.
Nice package, thank you.
Yeah, great package.
You can just keep that on top.
Oh, sure. You go first.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, next we have the application for Friendship Ender LLC, 279 Sunset Avenue. This is for a supplemental review of an attached garage conversion into a dry cabana.
Yes, hi, my name is Jennifer Pansball. I'm representing 279 Sunset Avenue. We came previously and got the house approved, but now we just need the cabana. We're just gonna keep it in likeness with the house and do asphalt, black roof, cedar siding on it, and there's gonna be 3 walls, one of them with a, fireplace and 2 windows on it. Just keep it very simple and keep it like same footprint as the current garage that's like shed that's residing on there.
Is the front wide open, so you're sitting in the pool and you look in?
Yeah,
So what's being called the front is the north side, not the street side?
yeah, I guess the part facing the pool is like the open side. And then the other part is just a wall facing the
So
street.
by front, you mean
Yeah, I guess
facing
it's
the pool, not facing
Yeah.
the street?
Right.
that way you could like see into it and use it if you're by the pool area.
And for the chimney, what materials are you using?
For the chimney, we're just gonna finish, it in shingles.
It's not on the application.
Chimney, I think?
Guess I'm missing it.
Concrete.
What was the question on the trim?
Well, the house has black trim, and this is showing that it's gonna have an AZAC white trim.
Yeah, I would say that's incorrect. We're definitely gonna keep it in likeness with the house, yes.
It's gonna be black.
Yes, black. I can write it on something if you guys need.
And you said you're gonna use the existing shed, or you're knocking that one down?
We're knocking it down, but the same footprint won't be there.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the chimney is gonna be what?
It's gonna be wrapped in like shingles, the cedar shingles.
Just gas fireplace?
I believe it's a wood fireplace.
So you're not gonna use brick or anything like that to?
No brick. Around like the opening, there'll be stone, probably black, but besides that.
We gotta put that in here and tell us.
Okay, do you want me to?
Yeah.
Yeah, do this set.
Yeah,
I can.
there you go.
On the trim initial and date where it's
Yeah.
changed to black.
And then, where do you want me to write the information about the fireplace? On here.
For the fireplace?
Yeah,
Is it on the checklist?
No.
no, I can just write
No,
on
but
this.
she could write it on the checklist, so we
Yeah.
have it.
Okay.
They putting any lights on it?
They'll be in the soffit inside, not any on the exterior.
But it's open, right?
Yeah, so you won't really see the light.
We haven't approved the pool yet, right?
I believe the pool was on the original application.
Was it?
And did you have a
Was
landscape
it a
plan?
landscape? Oh,
Yes.
That was approved too. The only thing that we're missing
No,
is the
the
convention,
landscape
because
plan, we
didn't
said
have a
we'd
plan
come
for
back.
What?
We said he didn't think quite what he was gonna put in and said he would come back.
He was coming back just for the cabana,
And
No, we
but
also,
there was no plans for it.
well, we also discussed that when we were talking about it, what kind of trees are going down.
they're
On
on
the
the
other side.
landscape
They were on
plan.
the
Yeah.
landscape plan. I think you're confusing that with the other one, with 49 Bayfield.
We were gonna do screening with the trees though.
Okay.
All right, if we can check the file, to see if we.
Okay, it's in there. They had a
Have
really
it.
like designed landscape plan, like with all colors
Okay.
and stuff.
Okay.
All right, if we can get that back, did you initial and date?
Yeah, I can add the date. Sorry. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, any other questions on this application? Can we get a motion to approve this application?
I'll make a motion.
Can we have a second? Those in favor?
Aye.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, I know where it was. So I look at the-
There you go.
Yes, sir.
You look.
Oh, yeah. Oops, slippery.
Okay, next we have the application for 231 Dune Road, West Hampton Beach for the West Hampton Bath and Tennis. This is for a proposed construction for a waiver of the site plan review on modifications to the existing ballroom facade. Good evening.
Hi.
My name's Andrew Graham. I'm the agent for the owner, expediter for West Hampton Bath and Tennis, 231 Dune Road. So this is a purely a facade change of the banquet hall. There's no exterior alterations aside from the facade, no landscaping or anything. And it's just no landscaping or anything. All that's to remain. It is just the banquet hall portion of the resort, which kind of protrudes off the south of the building towards the ocean side. So basically, it was already due for some maintenance, and the architects decided to go with some more with composite materials to make it a little bit more robust. So basically, he's going with composite PVC trim. This is what it is, staying grade. It will be a wood-like trim, and then cultured stone on the lower portion of the siding. Above that will be hardy board and batten siding in the top third of the elevation on all three sides.
Hold on a second. You're saying that the top part is hardy plank?
Yeah, board and batten. They make a board and batten product. It's a cement board though.
And you're showing just vertical siding on there?
Yeah, so if you go to A2.0, the second page, it kind of, it's referenced there. It's vertical board siding, hardy board and batten. So that's what he's proposing. It will be white, I believe.
Isn't board and batten different than vertical siding?
It's different than like a tongue and groove or something. It's what he's proposed is board and batten. That's the terminology he chose.
But you're showing just vertical siding. It's not showing the board and batten, correct?
Yeah, I guess it's not showing the individual battens in his elevation, but that's what he's called out as been the board and batten on here.
So the drawing we're looking at is wrong?
I suppose it's not a perfect elevation. No.
And is it the same on the sides?
Correct. Yeah, it's all going
The
to be.
sides are just showing vertical, and it says vertical siding.
Yep. It does reference A2.0, where he has the exterior materials schedule.
But it doesn't show on the drawing.
Yeah, I guess he could have done a better job of showing that it was board and batten on those elevations.
CD1 and A2.0 are the same, right?
Well, A2.0 has the material schedule.
No, but I mean, it's showing
The same elevation, yes.
same elevation. And it doesn't say what elevation that is.
Yeah, that's the south elevation, the ocean facing side.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the two, I'm looking at CV1,
Would be east and west on the bottom.
two side elevations are not labeled, which is
Yeah, it's,
north of, let me just finish.
yep.
It doesn't say what's north and what's, I'm sorry, doesn't say what's east and west. And when I look at the pictures, I just need some clarification here. When I'm looking at the pictures here,
Sure.
what elevation is that?
That's the west elevation.
Okay, and the west elevation shows 1, 2, 3, 4 arches and 3 sets of windows,
Yes.
sets of 3.
Yes. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah, the plans show 3.
And the CD1 drawing shows, I guess, the remains of the arch beams and only 2 sections of 3 windows.
Yeah. Yeah, it is going all the way back. I don't know why the elevation is drawn that way. But it is the full banquet hall all the way back to that
Well,
corner.
you've done it correct. I just want to come back.
I agree.
What you said about
I agree.
the siding. You see it has on the front here, vertical siding.
Yeah.
No batten.
Yeah. I agree with you. I apologize.
Maybe we should have do this all over again.
I would like to see a side elevation that's accurate.
Yep. Okay.
I think we all will. Yeah.
Sure.
And the other thing is, when you look at it, the V that's there, that's gone.
That's gone.
And all the
Yeah.
side post, that's gone. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah, as far as I know, that you,
Are they going
mean on the-
staying, or?
I believe that's being removed. I believe that is part of the scope, but I will definitely get you guys some more accurate elevations for the purpose of this. There is some exterior lighting proposed. It's just like to mention, they're going with lantern-style wall sconces on the south elevation and on the east and west elevations. That's on the last page of the elevations. Just to mention it.
On the door, on either side of the door, and then at the
And then on the
end
corners.
of each side?
Correct.
And there's no site plan submitted to show us where this ballroom,
Yeah. Yeah, so basically, we submitted that information to the planning board, and then they requested color elevations for our ARB referral, so we provided color elevations. I guess, I guess it got, that the planning materials didn't make it to you.
I would suggest that we have them come back with all the correct
yeah, I
stuff.
think.
I would agree with that, yes.
This will be white, right? That's.
Correct, yeah, the vertical
And-
portion,
And then
yes.
this part here, this trim here will be this brown.
Correct, the trim between the windows.
And the arch.
Correct, yeah, that composite PVC material is called
Okay,
Aether.
and then this stone is this material and that color.
Yes, I
is
was
that
that.
correct?
Let me look at that page.
Did you submit samples to
stone.
the planning board?
No, I wasn't able to obtain samples from the architect, unfortunately.
All right, so, will anybody else have questions, or let's just hold this over?
Yeah, I think hold over would be great. Probably necessary.
Any other
No
questions?
questions,
Bob?
but I think we should hold it over.
The holdover would be good.
Okay.
No more questions.
Accurate
Can
elevations
we
of
get
the
a
site
motion
plan.
to hold this application over, and we should get some samples. We should get correct drawings that represent the building. Elevation should be labeled north, south, east, west, or in this case, maybe 3, east, west, and south. And correct the board and batten, and some samples. Anything else?
No,
Let's-
there's gonna be no change to the landscaping, correct?
Correct.
Well, one of the things in your east and west elevation drawings is you don't show the arches, and in the pictures it shows the arches, so it looks like you're trying to remove the arches.
Well, I believe he did it like a section, so you're not gonna see arch coming down, but I can have him include those in the elevation.
Well, yeah.
Be smart.
Is the arch only in the front?
No, the arches are maintained. If you, on the side elevations, you can see like a section view of them, but they're not clearly called out, I suppose, so.
Right, on
I
the
can
side
have
of
him,
it's like this, like.
yeah, I can have him show them coming all the way down.
Have him actually show us what you're actually going to do to help
I
him out.
understand, yeah. All right, thank you.
Maybe a perspective may help also.
Thanks.
Okay. We have a motion to hold over this
I
application.
think Mike made a motion.
We have a second?
Second.
Those in favor?
Aye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just 1 second here. I'm gonna keep what they submitted, Danielle. Anything else? No. Can we get a motion to adjourn?
I'll make the motion?
I'll
We have a
second it.
Those in
Second.
favor?
Second it.
Aye.
Aye.
Maybe this is what he was talking about.